What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you this cool little summery vibe kind of look. It has like blue and yellow, some Fenty Beauty trophy wife up in there. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this, please keep on watching. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Anna. I am a 24-year-old makeup artist from New Mexico. I specialize in bridal, and I also specialize in like colorful wearable looks. So yeah, I would love for you to be a part of my family, so please subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Alright guys, so I already did my eyebrows, and I also prepped my eyelids with MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I had one of my best friends, Cassie, I had her pick my palette today, and she chose the ABH Norvina Volume 2 palette. Love this palette. I think it really makes you think. Blues kind of really aren't my thing. I just don't think that cool tones look good on me, but we have some pinks and oranges and some nice browns, so we'll see where this takes us. So yeah, let's get into it. I always like to prep my lid first with like a translucent powder or kind of like a bone color, skin tone color shade. So I just like to pick that up on like a fluffy brush. I just really like to pack that on. So first off, this palette doesn't really have like a light transition color. So I'm gonna just pick up my bronzer. This bronzer is the Il Makiage Waka Waka bronzer. Love this bronzer so much. So I'm just gonna pick some of that up on a fluffy brush and just put that in my crease. Just to give a little bit of depth to the eye. And I always like to go between circular motions and then like windshield wiper motions as well. So honestly, like, oops, where are they? These two shades are calling my name. I'm really into the yellow, and then I feel like that teal just really will make it pop. So I'm gonna pick up the teal color just with like the same brush that I applied that bronzer with. I'm gonna start off light. I know these pigments are super pigmented, like look at the brush. So I'd rather start off with not a lot. It's easier to blend, or it's easier to build up your shadows instead of trying to blend them out. So I'm just gonna start. I like to just dab that in the corner. Just really softly. Picking up a little bit more. I'm gonna bring it pretty much like halfway into my eye. Like I'm gonna stop that blue from going any farther in. You just really want to take your time with this. Like I said, it's easier to build up the color than to try and blend it out. So I like to just get some on my brush, apply it directly to that corner. Just kind of mess with it, just really blend that out. All right, and do the other side real quick. Okay, I'm gonna stop there for a moment before I get too crazy with the blues. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that yellow eyeshadow right there on the lid. I'm gonna pick up this brush right here. This is a BH Cosmetics number 12 brush. So first I'm just gonna pick some up on my brush, tap off any excess as always. And I'm just gonna start, I'm gonna put that on the lid, but then I'm also gonna extend it up like that. But I'm gonna be careful not to mix it in with the blue. Just for the moment, we're gonna blend that together in a little bit. On the top, I am gonna go kind of over that blue, just to blend that. But I'm not necessarily like going onto the blue, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna go back in with that blue and just kind of blend those together. Mostly focusing that blue like on the outer V, not so much in the crease anymore. So I'm gonna add some depth to the outer V of my eye. So I'm just gonna pick up this little brush here, and I am going to dip into, this dark navy blue shade right here. And again, I'm focusing that literally just right there. Just on the outer corner like that. You don't want to go into your crease with this deeper blue. You just want to keep it on the edge. All right, and then I'm gonna pick up that blendy brush with that teal that we picked up. And I'm not gonna pick up any more product, and I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna go back in with that yellow. I'm gonna pack that on the lid. And then I'm just gonna like sweep into the blue. What do I wanna do here? I know what I'm gonna do. So I am gonna pick up, where is it? Someday I'll have my shit together. Until then, I'm sorry. I'm gonna pick up this brown gel liner from L'Oreal. It is in the shade Espresso. And I'm just gonna put that on a liner brush. I think this is a paintbrush, but whatever, it gets the job done. I'm just gonna pop that in the waterline. But I'm gonna focus it more on the outer part of my eye. I'm gonna pick up my pencil brush and just kind of smudge that out. I'm gonna pick up that teal color on the pencil brush, and I'm just gonna focus that on the outer lower lash line. Mine broke, so it's a hot mess, but I'm picking up Trophy White. Start with this brush. It's just like a little flat synthetic brush. I'm gonna apply some of this in the inner corner of my eyes and then also on my brow bone, but I'm gonna blend it out and it's gonna look really pretty. Can you see how pretty that is? I love this color. I'm also gonna kind of take it up a little bit, just like right there in that area. Picking up some more. I'm gonna dust this brow bone. You just want to be able, you just want to check for balance. Like I said, you don't want this one to look a little duller than this side, because then it just looks funny, like incomplete in a way. Cool. Right on. So before I move back onto the eyes, I'm going to do my face real quick. I'll be right back. I don't know where my parents were, but I remember just singing this at the top of my lungs with like one of my boyfriends. Oh man, fun times. By the way, this Laura Geller multitasking eye lip cheek palette. I love this thing. Like, what a pretty cream contour that it does. Oh, I need to blend it better over here, but don't focus on that. Yeah, so pretty. Oh my god, so oh, hold on, let me pause this shit. Oh my god, so I just realized, wait, did this song come out? Let me see. So this song came out in 2003. I wasn't even 10 years old yet. I was 8 years old. I did the rest of my face. I think I want to add some yellow in this inner corner, just kind of brighten things up. And kind of like blend those two together so it kind of matches what we did on our lid here. Oh, sorry. I'm like blocking the view over here. Jeez. Worst makeup artist ever. Cool. Right on. All right, so I curled my eyelashes. I'm gonna go in with honestly one of my new favorite mascaras. It is the Lily Lashes Triple X mascara. My lashes are naturally just really straight. They don't really hold a curl, but this mascara, oh my god. I would totally 10 out of 10 recommend. That. So I'm gonna hit my top and bottom lashes with this. With my bottom lashes though, I'm sticking to the outside where we did that darker eyeshadow. I'm gonna let those sit and dry for a second. So I already put on bronzer and blush. I think I'm gonna go in, what do you think? What do you guys think? Do you think I should go in with Trophy Wife on my face? I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Who cares? I'm gonna do it. It looks so pretty. Let me see. So I'm gonna pick up just this fluffy brush. This is from NYX. At first when I saw this highlighter, I was like, oh my god, it's gonna be way too much. Like, it is way too gold. I'm pale as fuck, so it's not gonna, you know, it's not gonna look nice on me. But dude, this Rihanna knows what she's doing, okay? She really does. So I gave that a little time to dry. So now I'm gonna go in with some lashes. I think I'm gonna go in with Lily lashes. Let's see how these, what do we think? Do we like them? I kind of like these. Okay, these are in the style Houston from Lily Lashes. I'm gonna do my lashes off camera. This is too much, it takes forever. Be right back. Okay, so we got our lashes on. They are so pretty, just like so glam. Love them. All right, so moving on to lips. This is no surprise to you. Of course, I'm gonna go in with a nude, but I just don't know. I think that's a little pink. I want something like this has a lot of pink in it too. Maybe I need to go lipstick shopping. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna first line my lips with Iced Latte from Kylie Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go in with two different liquid lipsticks. I'm first gonna apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills Naked Liquid Lipstick. And then just in the center, I'm gonna go in with Nudie Patootie from Wet n Wild. I was gonna wipe this on my mirror. I don't know why. Jeez. So I love this because it has like peachy tones to it. You know what? Actually, I'm not gonna add Nudie Patootie. I think this color just really tied everything together. So I'm just gonna blend that out. What do you guys think? I love it. That is that. That's that. Okay, and lastly, I'm gonna finish off with some setting spray. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lasting Fix. Just give myself a nice healthy dose of that. Perfect. Okay guys, so here's the final look. I hope you guys absolutely love this as much as I do. I wasn't really sure where I was gonna go with this, but I love the way it turned out. Just super bright and fun and summer vibes, and I love it. So please leave your comments down below, pick out some palettes for me. Help a sister out here, okay? She's very she's feeling very unmotivated and uninspired, and it's making her really sad. Her is me. I am her. Thank you guys so much for watching this today. I hope you like and subscribe. I would love you, love you to be a part of my little family here. So yeah, and have a wonderful rest of your week. I love you.
You're more than just your physical